Hey y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
All right, so we're back for round two.
Again.
We're back.
We are back, baby. We are back. We are back. Classic. We are back.
And as a reminder, we on that gin stuff right now, okay? All right. And so we are gonna try out a recipe called the Franklin, okay?
The Franklin.
Yes, a little bit of history. This is a Prohibition era beverage.
Oh, no.
Apparently it was Franklin Delano Roosevelt, as in President Franklin Delano Roosevelt's favorite drink. It's basically a dirty martini, and they just named it after him. So it's called the Franklin.
Whatcha?
So, you know, but okay, we're using a dry gin this time. So you know what we have to do? We gotta test it out. There's a little apprehension in you right there.
Dry.
It's dry, you know, yeah, it's dry. I don't know what to tell you, bro.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Cheers.
Ugh. Okay. It hit me. That was the first reaction. It hit me.
An uppercut. A right uppercut. A punch he never threw.
Oh my life.
Ooh, it's kind of like a Popeye's biscuit. So
Popeye's biscuit.
a Popeye's biscuit requires refreshment immediately after.
I don't even know what the code is. I really don't. But it's just not it by
It
itself.
doesn't taste bad. It's just like drinking a cotton ball.
A gauze. A gauze for me.
Gauze.
Yeah. A gauze.
So let's just get into it.
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes. Let's get into this.
At this point, I'm a little nervous.
Oh,
I'm
all right.
not. I will say, I try to get at least one recipe where I'm apprehensive about it. And the reason being, because I want to try different stuff out. Don't look at me like that.
You have your moments where the recipes are apprehensive.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay.
I feel like you don't believe that, but
No, I
yeah.
don't. I find it hard to believe.
Wow. Okay. All right. Listen, 1.5 ounces of our dry gin.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what I did last time, so I'm gonna just not use the, how do you pronounce it? Jigger?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I didn't know. You just taking 2 ounces of.
Those measurements is just wrong.
I feel like you put 3 ounces.
No, I did. I did
Okay.
1.5.
Okay. All right. You got it, girl. You got it. If she falls over afterwards, we know.
No, I'm not doing that.
1 tablespoon
Ooh, fancy.
of our dry vermouth.
Try.
A lot of dry. Again,
need
oh,
that.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna make
kind
sure.
of need that.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure
You
that
do
we on
need
the
that.
same level, cause you know last time I don't know. Ooh, child.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
We back.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of our olive juice. That's the dirty part.
So the dry vermouth and the dry gin was not dirty enough and dry enough for me?
It was dry, but maybe not dirty. I don't make these rules.
Yes, something.
There you go.
Just one?
2 of them. I would dip that in there.
Dip what?
Dip that directly in there. So listen, we recycle, okay? So we just are using the olive juice that comes in the actual olives container. So, you know, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really drink olives. So again, this is, if you're wondering what's in the mystery jar right here, it's just the olive juice that comes out of the container that the olives came in because, you know, we're gonna recycle. We're not gonna buy separate olive juice because I don't know about you, but olives are not necessarily my favorite.
Not these. I do black olives on like pizza.
Okay.
Stuff like that, but...
I don't do any olives, so this is really different for me.
Oh, is that all the dry and dirtiness?
All the dry and dirtiness that we require, and then we're gonna shake this up.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Okay, all right. Now, before you strain that or pour it into your glass, we're gonna strain it because there may have been some elements of olive that came from the olive container. So just to purify the drink, here you go.
To make it less dry? Okay.
I don't think it's gonna make it less dry. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I think it's more so just gonna keep the dirty martini cleaner. That probably didn't make sense, huh? I probably should have just left it. But I didn't really want fragments of olive juice in my drink, so, I mean, or of olive.
Too late for that.
Not the olive juice. We know that the olive juice is gonna be in there, but I meant the actual olive part. You know what I mean?
I see a little olive stuff in there.
You do? Okay. Well, we did our best, okay?
We did our best.
And we're gonna stick an olive in there for garnish.
So exciting. I was so exciting.
Oh, you. This don't even look right.
Well, listen, and you definitely added a little extra love. You talked about me being heavy-handed.
Don't judge. Listen, I went by these instructions. Instructions you gave. Whatever. It smelled dirty.
Okay, let's be brave and let's try this.
Oh, be brave now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, it's my turn to start. Okay.
I have no words.
Okay, so
Oh.
it's a dirty martini, all right? It's not my fave, but I felt like if we're doing a gin cocktail, we gotta do at least one thing that we might not necessarily be excited about, just to say we tried it. And I'm gonna be frank, it's not my cup of tea, but it might work for somebody else.
Clearly, because somebody made this recipe. It's nasty.
Whew, she went for the juggernaut.
Yeah, it's the juggernaut.
Okay, so if we're talking numbers, okay, it's probably about a 4.5 for me.
A 4? A 4. A 4.
I'm trying.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, however you wanna.
Are you being generous right now, or are you like you're sticking to that 4?
It's a 4. It's a 4. It's not good. Okay, your turn.
This is the first time that I'm going to be brutally honest.
Oh.
This is nasty.
Oh.
I don't like this. If it was something below dirty, this is below dirty.
What is below dirty?
I don't know, because I ain't never get that far yet. But I'm giving this a 1. And I would give it a 0 if I could, but you know, it's 1 through 10, so 1 for me for that, for sure.
Not a 1.
It's just,
Oh my god.
I just,
Oh my god.
it's just nasty.
Nasty.
Like,
Oh, we tried, bro.
I just don't even, like, this is like dirty water. It's nasty.
And the reason I'm tasting it again is I'm trying to find something I like.
No, there's nothing. There's not. The only thing that's great about this whole thing right now is the cup itself. It's nasty. Why did you do this to me?
You guys, she's literally never going to trust me again.
Yo,
But
this is one that I'm not gonna finish.
No, I'm not gonna finish it.
No.
But here, okay, listen. We are here to try different recipes. We have to give everything a chance, and we tried it.
You are
and it's
absolutely
nasty.
right.
But we tried it, okay?
At least you know I'm honest, because this is nasty. Nasty. With a capital N.
You know what's wild is that some recipes for like the dirty martinis call for blue cheese in there.
What?
Yes.
what?
Yeah. So it would have. So your garnish would be an olive with blue cheese,
No, ma'am.
and like the dirtier the better. And I don't find that to be true because this just tastes like
No, ma'am.
salty liquor.
No, ma'am. If one of our followers had, wanted us to try a recipe, I'm going to try it. But have a heart when you do it, please, because this is just nasty.
It's my fault. I take responsibility, accountability.
You can't take me from
accountability.
class to trash.
We did
You
kind of
did.
backtrack. We kind of we went back.
Okay. You know what? Remember that time when your Mr. Mawad took our birthday cake? I'm
Yeah.
gonna say this vodka in here. It's a martini, right? I'm gonna see if he might like this.
Oh, that's messed up, bro.
I mean, I ain't getting no cake, so there's that.
Okay, so I'm still curious to know if you guys would try this. Some of you, this might be your favorite one, so sorry that we're kind of, not your favorite drink. But please, like, comment, subscribe. But I really, please let me know if this is something you would try, if you think we're off about this being, to me it's adventurous because I just would never go this route. So I want to know your input here.
This is not adventurous. This is Armageddon.
Wow, okay, and with that, we're gonna,
before we go,
yeah,
though.
yes, please.
Our lovely shaker, which is also listed on our Amazon, feel free to click on the link below in
Yes.
the comment section. It's a very nice.
It's
nice.
cute. I'm gonna get me
Little
one of these. We gotta be
crystal.
twinsies next shoot.
Crystal martini shaker.
Uh-huh. Next time we'll put something a little more tastier in the
Sure,
shaker.
please, because blessing it for the first time, I'm just saying. I'm good.
So we're gonna run this back in a little bit.
Wait, one more time. Wait.
You're gonna try it again?
I'm gonna try. Okay. Nope.
So that wasn't it.
No,
Okay.
it's not it. All right, you know what? We gonna have to
We'll be
head to
back.
the next one. Yeah.
We'll be back.